Hello everyone. I have shared till now 9 videos for the constructions of triangles for class 7th. In all the cases, whatever data was given to me, I was able to construct the triangle. But in this question, I'll show you that it is not always that whatever data is given to us, we can make the triangle. At times, it's possible that the triangle cannot be constructed. So let us see the question. Is it possible to construct a triangle whose sides are 3 centimeters, 6.1 centimeters, and 2.6 centimeters? If you see, this is the SSS construction type, wherein the lengths of the three sides are given to us. So it should be ideally constructible. So if I draw the rough figure, I take any triangle ABC. Let us write what all is given to us. AC is 3 centimeters, AB is 6.1 centimeters, let's say, and the third side BC is equal to 2.6 centimeters. So I don't see any problem in the construction of the triangle as of now. Taking AB as the base, I can easily make the two arcs with A as center and radius 3 centimeters and B as center and radius 2.6 centimeters. And wherever these two arcs meet, that would be point C. So let us do the construction, taking the exact measurements now. So my first step is to draw AB equal to 6.1 centimeters. Now because AC is equal to 3 centimeters, so with A as center and radius equal to 3 centimeters, I'll make an arc. Now because BC is equal to 2.6 centimeters, so with B as center and radius equal to 2.6 centimeters, I'll make another arc to intersect the previous arc at point C. I see that the arcs are not intersecting, so I'll take A as the center and radius equal to 3 centimeters, and this arc is going to be completed to form a circle of radius 3 centimeters with the center as A. Exactly same way, I will make a circle with B as center and radius equal to 2.6 centimeters also. The second arc also I'm going to complete it to get a complete circle. So the first circle has been made taking the radius as 3 centimeters. I make the second circle with B as center and radius 2.6 centimeters. And I see that these circles are not intersecting at any point. Since the two circles are not intersecting, I can say that the triangle cannot be constructed. It is not possible to construct the triangle. Now let us find out the reason that why in this case the triangle was not constructible. Our question was, is it possible to construct a triangle whose sides are 3 centimeters, 6.1 centimeters, and 2.6 centimeters? And we have seen that it is not possible to construct the triangle with these measurements. So what is the reason behind it? If you remember the triangle inequality property, what did it state? It stated that it is possible to construct a triangle if the sum of the two sides is always greater than the third side. That means I should be having AB plus BC should be greater than AC. I should have BC plus AC greater than AB, and I should have AC plus AB greater than BC. So the sum of any two sides taken at random should be greater than the third side. If I have a case where the sum of any of the two sides is not greater than the third side, I will not be able to make this construction. So let us check here. In this case, the data is not satisfying the triangle inequality property because if you take the sum of AC and BC, what is that? It is 3 plus 2.6. 3 plus 2.6 is not greater than the length of AB, which was 6.1. So I get AC plus BC is not greater than AB, and therefore the triangle is not possible to be constructed. We cannot construct the triangle with the sides 3 centimeters, 6.1 centimeters, and 2.6 centimeters. So I hope I have justified the reason why the triangle is not possible to be constructed. Thank you so much.